Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to continue to look at the editor layout. And we have more control over how our interface looks. For example, if you find that you don't need to have all of these areas available to you when you're writing, what you can do is you can go into this options area and you can make sure that you're only going to have those elements that you're going to use on your document panel. You can also have it so that WordPress does give you pre-published checks or helps you to figure out what may be wrong with your document. And you can enable tips to be shown to you as to how to use the new WordPress editor. Now, part of the flexibility that the Gutenberg editor gives you is the ability to create blocks. In the older interface, if you wanted to have text, you had to create everything inside of one area. With the new Gutenberg editor, what you can do is you can create blocks. So for example, let's say that we wanted to create the same text, but we wanted to create it within a specific block. And instead of creating all of the text in one block, we can create that text in a different block. As you will see in a later video, we have the ability to manipulate these blocks. Now you'll see here at the top, what we can do is we can control our block navigation. You can see we can then highlight the block that we want to work with through this navigation. Another feature you'll notice is at the top we can click content structure. And this will give us some helpful information as to how we are progressing through our content. Perhaps you're trying to create a document that's going to have a certain number of words. You can do that and keep track of it by using this content structure button as you create. And of course, what you can also do is you can add in blocks by clicking the Add Block button. And we will be looking at how you create these blocks in detail in the rest of this course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.